Good afternoon, students. So we are doing chapter number 9, journal. Last topic of chapter 9 is special transactions relating to goods. The first transaction is drawing in goods. Sometimes the proprietor withdraw cash as well as goods from the business. The term is used drawing. So the entry will be drawing account debit to purchase account. Goods is going out from the business, so instead of cash we use the word purchase, so purchase account will be credited. The next is goods given away as charity. Charity is an expense, so expense is always debited in the business. The entry will be charity account debit. So what is going out from the business? Goods is going out, the word is used purchase, and purchase will be credited in the entry. The entry will be charity account debit to purchase account. And the third is goods distributed as free samples. Sometimes the goods are distributed as free sample to the potential buyers in order to promote sales. So free samples can be treated as expense on advertisement, right? So the entry will be, an advertisement is an expense, then it will be debited in the entry. And what is going out from the business? Goods, and purchase will be credited in the entry. The entry will be advertisement expense account debit to purchase account. And last is loss of goods by the theft or loss by fire. So loss by theft and loss by fire will be debited in the entry because the rule of nominal account will be applied. The rule of nominal account is debit all the expenses and losses and credit all the incomes and gains. So these are the losses, these will be debited in the entry. The entry will be loss by theft, loss by fire account debit, and what is going out? Goods. Then what will be credited? Purchase account to purchase account. So these are some special transactions relating to the goods. Drawing in goods, goods given away as charity, goods distributed as free sample, and loss of goods by the theft or loss by fire. So let's solve some journal entries. Illustration second. The first is cash paid for installation of machine. Amount is 5,000. The entry will be machinery account debit to installation of machine, that will be treated as the purchase of machine. Then machine account debit and cash is going out. Then machine account debit to cash account. The amount is 5,000. Here you write narration. The second transaction is goods given away as charity. Amount is 20,000. Entry will be charity account debit to purchase, because we are not giving cash as charity, we are giving goods. The word will be used purchase. Amount is 20,000. C entry is interest charge on capital at 7% when total capital was 7 lakh. 7 lakh capital and interest on it is 7%. What will be the entry? Interest on capital account debit to capital account. 7 lakh. The amount of interest is 7%. The interest amount is 49,000. So business paid interest on capital is 49,000. Fourth is received 12,000 of a bad debts written off last year. last year return of bad debts we received in this year, means it is being treated as bad debts recovered. The entry will be cash account debit to bad debts recovered account. Amount is 12,000. Next entry is goods destroyed by fire. Amount is 20,000. The entry will be loss by fire account debit to purchase account. Amount is 20,000. Next is rent outstanding. Amount is 10,000. Rent account debit to outstanding. Rent is a nominal account and outstanding rent is a representative personal account. Amount is 10,000. Next is interest on drawing 9,000. The entry will be drawing account debit to interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is paid by the proprietor into the business for the withdrawal of goods and cash for the personal purpose. Amount is 9,000. The last entry is Sudhir Kumar, who owed me 30,000, has failed to pay the amount. He pays me compensation of 45 paisa in a by check. Sudhir Kumar is a debtor. And the total amount 30,000, but he paid only 45 paisa by check, and he paid by check. Then the bank will be debited because payment is coming from the check. Bad debts account debit to Sudhir Kumar. How much amount? 30,000 Sudhir Kumar से लेने थे, but Sudhir Kumar paid only 45 paisa. 45 paisa means 45% of the amount. The amount is 13,500, and the remaining amount treated will as bad debts because he is not paying 55%. 16,500, 30,000 minus 13,500, and this amount will be treated as bad debts. Bad debt is the loss for the business, and it will be debited in the entry. This is illustration 22, and at the end total 155. Total of debit side and credit side will be always equal.